This is Irontrader. It is Tuesday morning. So I'm going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. Now remember, we had the CPI report there on Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning. And on Thursday, we have the PPI report. So you're going to want to pay attention to that. And today, after the close here at 4:30, we have the API report there for the old crude ski. Okay, this video is for information purpose only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart side by side here. Pretty much tells the whole picture, okay? So here we have the old crude. You can see here we just have a sideways action. We're in a downtrending market kind of situation, but this time of the year it's really nothing unusual. Now, usually what we do is if you look at the seasonality chart, we usually get a little bit of a lift up here, usually the first, second week of December and runs it into January. I don't know if we're going to have it this year, but we have to wait and see. Okay, so here let's take a look at the upside here first. Obviously, this is why you want to trade the charts. Look at it right there. Okay, 68.35. The core of today's candle went right into the 8 SMA here. Okay, now again, if we can get above that, then we have this 21-day here sitting at 68.67 level. And that's going to be very, very strong resistance, as you can see in the past here. Okay, see where it popped up here, and we closed below, and then look at here where we had these series here. This last 4 days, we just can't get through it. But if you can get through that 8-day, first of all, at 68.35 and that 68.67 on a 21-day, then we'll look right to the top of this candle here. This is going to be your next resistance level, sitting at 69.16. And then we get above that, we come right up here. You're looking at 69.69, and we have this candle 70.23. But this is your target right there at that 70.35 level. Now you can see this price channel here, how it's coming down. See how this originally was the top of that candle. Now she's just coming down, and then yesterday and the day before it was the top of this candle, 72.25. Now we're coming right on down here to these candles right here. Okay, so this is actually getting lower here. Now your price channel is below actually your 100-day. So you can see how your 100 days on a downtrend here, and same way with your market. Okay, so we got to see how this is all going to shake up. But right now here we have an inside day here today. Yesterday we had a nice green candle, but you notice that it could not close above that 8 and that 21-day. So we just have sideways action. Okay, so downside, obviously we want to watch today's low, which was 67.72. So if you line it up with this candle right here, 67.71, this was a really important candle because see, it held up all these other candles. Okay, so right now we're holding that support level here. So you could have a possible double bottom situation, but it's not looking really that great because you have this strong resistance, this 8-day and 21-day above it. But just watch this candle. This is going to be very, very key to 67.71. So far, we are holding it, okay? Now, again, if that's lost here, what you want to do is we want to come to the bottom of this candle, 67.28. And then we go to yesterday's low at 67.08. Then we come right here, 66.98, and then we have your 66.53 is your big retest. And then below that here, we just look right to the left here. This is what you have at 65.27. Now, again, we lose that. You're going to 63.64. You're going to $60. Going to get to 57 level, and then you can come down into the 55 range very, very easily, okay? But we don't worry about that right now. We just take one level at a time here. So right now what we're doing is we want to watch yesterday's high and low, okay? So that high was 68.88, and that low there was 67.08. So this is what we want to watch here on a closing basis kind of a situation, and that's what we're going to be trading against. And just watch that 8-day and that 21-day. You get above, we got that 50-day. We start losing this candle here at the bottom, 67.71. Then we're going to look to yesterday's low, and then the previous that Friday's low, and then we're going to have down here down to 66.53 level. Now RSI here isn't really telling us much. 45 go either way. This here MACD is just absolute flat line here. So there's really nothing there here. So basically, what I'm doing is just trading this range. I'm short, and then I'm just trying to scalp the old long. Okay, natural gas here. Well, you can see here how we're holding this nice 21-day here very, very nicely. But what we're doing is we popped up here, but you notice that we just couldn't hold anything yesterday. But we did close above the 8-day. Now today, I said just watch that 8-day and then watch yesterday's low, which was 313, and then we have here at 310. Now today we may come down here to that 310, so we filled this gap. Okay, so that gap is filled. Now, the whole crucial thing is going to be this 21-day. Okay, can we hold that 21-day on a closing basis? That's key. If we can, then you're going to come right here to the bottom of this candle, looking at 303, and then we're looking here at 3 flat, and then we have 297 level. Now, if this keeps on rolling down, we'll come right over here. Okay, you got 2.94, we have 2.90 level, and then we have right there at what do we got there? 2.83, and then we'll come right into there at that 2.82, your 50 SMA here. So right now we have sideways action, but as long as we hold that 21-day, we're not looking not too bad. Upside right here is we have to have that 8-day, 3.15. That's going to be very, very key. And then we look at today's high so far at 3.18 level. Then we can come over here to the top of this candle here, looking at 3.27. And then we have yesterday's high at a 3.32 level, and we just follow it up 3.38, 3.47, 52, and 3.56 level. But right now, all we're really worried about here is this 8 SMA and that 21-day. That 21-day needs to hold on a closing basis, and it'd be nice to get back above that 8 SMA here, and we can take it higher. Now, this here is 52. That's right in the middle of the range here. This is showing momentum to the downside. The green was that cross that red here, momentum to the downside, just like we had here. And this is the result is what you get. Okay, so let's just see how this is all going to shake out here today here. But just watch that 21-day. That's going to be very, very crucial. So I'll be looking for scalps here. I do the UNG there for the long, and I do the KOLD there for the short. And it's been working out pretty good. Now, I'm not holding anything overnight here with the natural gas. I'm just doing day trades. And if we can hold this 21-day, then I'll take a little scalp ski long. Then we'll see what happens at the 8-day. And then we just venture all the way up here to the top of yesterday's candle. If we lose it, then we go short. We just follow the candles all the way down until we get all the way down to this 50 SMA here. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here at midday trading. We'll take a look at and see what's going on with crude oil and natural gas. And then what else? For whatever else we can throw here in the old mix. I see Bitcoin is moving up here today a little bit here, so we got to see how that's going to shake out. Your NASDAQ is moving up a little bit here. But, this time here, a lot of times people will take profits at the end of the year, so don't get too excited about it. But I just think technology had a really, really good run. I'm always looking for scalps in that. Okay, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.